Not often do you see this many $30 subwoofers in one box, so that'll be
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So tell me about this.
All right, there's 14 12s. They're $30 Lanzar Maxes, and they are an infinite baffle 4-liter hybrid.
14.
Yeah.
Why 14?
It's just what I could fit. I got 21 of them. They just wouldn't fit.
So how is this enclosure design built? Is it off the same box as the other one, or?
Yep. I just cut some holes in the sides and the back.
Okay. Wow.
It's just an in-between thing while I get ready to rebuild it.
So you said, how much are these subs?
$30, man.
Oh, these, I've seen these before. I had a couple guys have the Lanzards, yeah. Are they the same ones in the back, or the others are different?
They're all the same. I just broke the motor covers off a couple so you can see how small the motor is.
Okay. So what you're seeing out back is what you see right here.
Yep. Yep, it's shooting outside.
So it's not infinite baffle. What would you call this?
It's true infinite baffle, yeah.
True, it is an infinite baffle. Okay. So when you open your trunk, how is your bass response different when it's closed versus open?
So it cuts off some of the low end extension by a little bit, but not like crazy. You know?
Okay.
But you can definitely tell an audible difference when you have someone open it while it's playing.
Got it. Okay. Wow. Looks good. All right. Not often do you see this many $30 subwoofers in one box, so that'll be a good, interesting topic. Cool.
Yeah.
So I know this is a in between. It says under construction.
Yep.
So what, is there a plan, or you want to talk about that one later when we meet again, or?
We can. So I was planning to go back with 415s or 418s in here again.
Yeah.
In the 4th order again.
Okay.
But the way this has been performing, man, and the way it draws a crowd and everything, honestly, I think I'm going to go back with all 21 of them in here when I rebuild it. So I'm going to try and build it all the way out, so I'll have a little bit more space in here, but I'll take the battery thing out of here and put it back.
Okay.
So just shuffling stuff around.
Yeah.
But that means the tow truck will probably end up with those 5 Avatar 18s.
Oh wow, yeah. Is there a way I can see how the boxes for these outside boxes?
You sure can.
How many cubes are each sub then?
Honestly couldn't tell you. Like on this side?
Probably like what, 0.8? Maybe 1 cube per?
There's no box over there.
So even on the other side's infinite?
Yeah.
Okay, I knew those were infinite. I didn't know if those were infinite.
All of them.
They're all infinite?
Yeah, they're cut
okay.
right through the sidewall.
Wow.
Yep.
Okay, so...
I couldn't cut through here because that's where the amps are.
Yeah, I figured that. That's why I was like, okay, that makes sense now. Wow.
There's 2 songs I'm going to play you. The first one is going to be 26 to 33. And then the second one is 16 to 22.
16 hertz on these subs? Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Don't blow them though.
No, bro. We've been doing this all day.
All right.
But yeah, you're welcome.
I just never seen something like this before.
Yeah, open up the back door.
Yeah.
Oh, Jacob, are you doing a video? This is my very good friend Anthony.
Okay.
I mean, we're not. I took all the 18s aren't in here either anymore.
Yeah, I remember. I saw it earlier when I walked through. I was just looking at it.
Yeah. We got,
Yeah, I'll hear it.
I got 2 songs I'm gonna play you. First one is gonna be 26 to 33, and then the second one is 16 to 22.
16 hertz on these subs? Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Don't blow them though.
No, bro. We've been doing this all day.
All right.
I'm busy, yeah, man. I'm saying, shout out to good shot, think of my dad. I was just
Okay. 16.
Yeah.
Crazy.
On $30 subs.
They said they need answers. Now what? When I get big fat, and we look bad it the wrong way, so we can't fix that. She mad at you, so she come fuck me, forget that. Next time you bring me up. Trying to shatter me
crazy output. But it's the box, the cabin. You've got a lot of years of work on this vehicle to, you know, just throw in $30 subs to get that loud. It took a lot of time and years to get to that point. So you did great though, man. Awesome.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah,
Sure.
that's pretty cool.
Thank you very much.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop